Hey, what's up guys, this is Henry Neal and you're welcome to yet another video on my channel. Today we unbox the Gionee S11 Lite, a brand new mid-range smartphone from Gionee. This is the little brother to the Gionee S11, so what does this device pack, and is it a smartphone that is worth considering? If this is the first time you come into my channel, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon so you're notified when I put up new videos. Without further ado, let's dive into our unboxing and initial impressions of the Gionee S11 Lite. The S11 Lite comes in a white box with some Gionee branding across the box. Lifting the lid, we're presented with the phone on the top, and other items included in the box are 1. A clear jelly case, user manual and warranty card, micro USB cable, a SIM ejector tool, a 5-volt travel adapter or charger, and a pair of headphones. So let's jump into the physical features of the Gionee S11 Lite. I have the black version of the phone here with me and it looks quite good. The back of the phone is made of a very shiny and glossy plastic and is prone to catch a lot of fingerprints, but it's quite premium. It's got a 3D 4-sided curved design which looks quite good and fits quite comfortably in the hands and gives you a better grip of the device. I've always said this about Gionee phones. Gionee builds very good looking hardware. If you watch some of my other video reviews on Gionee phones, you find that I always had positive reviews when it came to build quality on Gionee phones. So keep this up, Gionee, but however, I wish you would take the jump and try to be the first when new technology comes out. Software update to the latest version will help a lot of people get on board with using Gionee based phones. Moving on, for an overview of the phone's physical features, the device has its volume rocker and power buttons to the right of the phone, a dual SIM and micro SD card hybrid slot to the left of the device, nothing to the top. At the bottom of the device we have our speaker grill cutout, a microphone, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and also a micro USB charging port. A dual camera setup with LED flash to the back of the phone and also a fingerprint scanner at the back of the phone as well. This fingerprint scanner is one of the fastest fingerprint scanners I've used to date, opening this device in just about 0.2 seconds. Let's take a look to see how fast this thing is. That was one of the fastest fingerprint scanners I've ever used, and it's actually very accurate as well. At the front of the device we have a 16 megapixel f2.0 lens driving the selfie camera. You have your earpiece and a Gionee branding at the bottom as well. And we also have the all new 5.7 inch HD plus 18:9 aspect ratio display, giving this device a screen to body ratio of about 82.2%, which is very impressive. Let's talk about the screen for a bit. Gionee calls it a full view display due to its wider display area, which gives a more immersive experience when watching videos or viewing pictures. This screen is the main selling point of this device and is also one of Gionee's first device to sport an 18:9 aspect ratio display. The 720p HD display has good color calibration and great viewing angles and should not cause a lot of battery drain due to its resolution. But the battery on this device is one of the areas where I have some concern. This phone comes with a 2970 mAh battery, which I haven't tested, but I just wish it were much larger. I may just be asking for too much, but I'll bring you a comprehensive breakdown of the battery performance in my full review of this device. For the specifications, the Gionee S11 Lite packs some really good specs and I'm impressed with the engine house under the hood. The S11 Lite is powered by a 1.4 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon MSM 8937 Octa-Core processor. 4 GB of RAM, 32 GB of internal storage which is expandable to 256 GB via a micro SD card slot, Amigo 5.0 running on top of Android 7.1 Nougat. These specs are good enough to give you a device that runs smoothly and handles day-to-day tasks without issues. So in conclusion, the Gionee S11 Lite is a decent smartphone, but is one of those phones that just needs one or two more things to make it really shine. And for me, those things are: 1, the software. I wish this device came out of the box with Android Oreo. Oreo is about a year old already and Google is already working on Android P at the moment. Gionee should ship all its 2018 smartphones with the latest software. 2. Amigo UI. While it isn't bad, it could be better optimized to be cleaner and faster. Xiaomi's Mi UI is an example of a skin on Android executed almost perfectly. 3. A device with the specs aforementioned should spot a much better screen. I would have preferred a 1080p display, but I guess they were trying to keep the price point down on this one, hence the display resolution. Aside these observations, the S11 Lite's price is decent considering what you're getting with the device. This phone will be going for between 65 and 75,000 naira and should be quite affordable to most people out there. I'll be bringing you an in-depth review of the cameras on this device in my full review, but until then, thanks for watching this video, and if you liked it, hit the thumbs up button, and if you loved it, hit the subscribe button. Until next time, peace.